A standard Ferrari 296 GTS not enough for you? How about a carbon fiber wide body version? What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where this one is for those who can't wait for the track focused version of the Ferrari 296 that is rumored to wear the Versione Speciale badge, because Novitec has an alternative, the N-Largo tuning kit. Designed for owners eager to dial up things before Maranello does, this package brings a wider stance, more aggressive styling, and a touch more power to the electrified supercar. Now, the drop top 296 GTS N-Largo follows last year's debut of the coupe-based 296 GTB N-Largo, carrying over the same modifications. Novitec upgrades include a carbon fiber wide body kit, larger wheels, a sportier exhaust, and a subtle increase in horsepower, all complementing the already potent plug-in hybrid. Now, made by designer Vittorio Strosic, the N-Largo bodywork makes the 296 GTS significantly wider with new front and rear fenders, extending the car's width by 120 millimeters, 4.7 inches at the rear. Additional vents and intakes improve airflow, while the redesigned front bumper gets a sharper splitter and an optional exposed carbon vented hood for extra flair. Now, at the back, the standout feature is a ducktail spoiler, which has been swapped for an optional fixed rear wing and is complemented by a new diffuser. The side profile has also been refined with redesigned mirrors and Novitec NF11 and L forged wheels by Volson. Now, these wheels measure 21 inches in the front and 22 at the rear, with 72 color options to choose from. Now, inside, Novitec offers extensive customization with the Alcantara and leather upholstery available in any color. Now, the chassis has been lowered by 35 millimeters, 1.4 inches, thanks to sport springs with an optional front lift system, enabling the survival of your carbon fiber splitter over speed bumps. Now, more notably, Novitec ensures that the 296 GTS sounds as fierce as it looks. The signature exhaust upgrade can be crafted from Inconel with 999 fine gold plating, leading to the dual exhaust pipes decorated with the optional carbon fiber rings. Now, as for the plug-in hybrid powertrain, Novitec has increased the output of the twin turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 engine by 38 horses, 28 kilowatts, and 38 PS, leaving the electric motor intact. Now, this means the combined output of the hybrid unit has been bumped up to 856 horsepower, 638 kilowatts, 868 PS, bringing it closer to its main rival, the Lamborghini Temerario. Now, typically, Novitec makes 15 N-Largo versions of the mid-engine Berlinettas, certainly if the 296 GTB and FA Tributos are anything to go by. Now, as for the price, a basically new N-Largo 296 Coupe has been listed in Germany for 580,000 euros, or just over 480,000 pounds. An F8 Spider equivalent is more than 700,000 euros, so catching everyone's attention won't come cheap. But with that said, what do you guys think about the N-Largo kit when it comes to the 296? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description below. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.